Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch the camera to the front or the back one on DJI Osmo 360. Of course, in the 360 recording mode, it will record on both, but you can switch the preview by clicking once on the square button. See, now it's switched. Now it's switched again. You can also switch it by sliding to that other camera. Of course, you need to also remember that in the single lens mode, then you actually need to switch in order to select the correct camera. And now I think that will be about it. You can also switch it like that in this single lens mode. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.